Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Olivia Rodrigo's iconic like Coca-Cola can in hair look in Dress to Impress. I know she didn't really have a music video for this, I think, but she did wear it on her TikTok video. So let's get started with the video. I'm just going to remove the ones I didn't use any adjustments on. So yeah, I use this hair in the color brown, this one, and no adjustments. And then I use this hair in the same color. This is like the toggle where both of the hair parts are in front. Same color. Position the Y to 0.51, Z 0.53, rotate the X to 0.52. Grab this Coca-Cola hair in the same brown color. Position the Y to 0.56, Z 0.44. Rotate the X to 0.44, Y to 0.64, Z to 0.58, and scale it to 0.36. Grab this hair in no bangs. And then for the outfit, we are going to use this top here, this summer dress, in the top only, no sleeves toggle. We're going to use this pattern here, the bow pattern, and we're going to use the pink color. Then for the shorts, we're just going to use this from Codes, that same pink color. Did I use this? I think I used this one actually. I used the lighter pink one, sorry. And then I just used, oh my gosh, I just removed the glass, the cup. I'm just going to rewear it again, hold on. Okay, so for the cup, I used this in red, and then in, I think, this color in metallic, and I used like a blue straw. I'm just going to make it a little bit darker so you guys can see it's blue. Then for the kind of like name, you're going to use this necklace here in white and matte. You can use Batty or Queen, doesn't matter. Position the X to 0.46, Y 0.38, Z 0.10, rotate the Y to 0.56, Z 0.59. And then you're just going to use these stockings here in just white. I don't really know what shoes she wears, so I'm just not going to wear one. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.